I am also today signing a new mayor's order on masks. And basically what it says is if you leave home, you should wear a mask. The mayor's order lays out some exceptions. Common ones are for children under the age of 3, if you're vigorously exercising, if you are actively eating or drinking, or if you're in an enclosed office alone and no one else will be coming in. But in most cases, if you're outside of your house, you should have a mask on. This means if you're waiting for a bus, you must have on a mask. If you are ordering food at a restaurant, you must have on a mask. If you're sitting in a cubicle in an open office, you must have on a mask. We know that masks are effective and are an effective tool in helping us stop the spread of the virus.
Are looking at the COVID cases across the DMV. Now we have the latest for you. In Virginia, there are more than 1,000 new cases. This is the 7th straight day with more than 900 new confirmed cases. In the district, 88 new cases and 1 death. In Maryland, 860 new cases and 20 new deaths. Maryland and Virginia are now among the states whose residents must quarantine for 14 days when arriving in either New York, New Jersey, or Connecticut. This as health officials in some of Maryland's counties, including Montgomery County, they asked the state about a possible rollback of reopening. ABC 7's Kevin Lewis is live in downtown Bethesda with details.
Hi there, Ashley. Montgomery County officials made clear they have the right to take executive action. As an example, Montgomery mandated the use of face coverings in grocery stores 1 week before the state of Maryland did.
I think we'll have to continue to review if we feel that closing indoor facilities would be of great benefit to curb numbers.
This afternoon, Montgomery County Health Officer Travis Gales didn't rule out the possibility of blocking restaurants and bars from serving customers indoors. Such a move would almost assuredly hurt the already struggling sector, particularly during this sweltering heat.
We know that there's a higher percentage of younger people who are new cases. So, what's that about?
One reporter asked Dr. Gales if he was aware of any COVID cases in Montgomery linked to an indoor eatery or bar.
I don't have that information, a quantifiable number for you right now in terms of the state, X amount have been there recently. No, I don't.
Also today, Prince George's County Executive Angela Alsabrook said she does not currently support stopping indoor dining and drink service. Governor Larry Hogan echoed that sentiment.
We're really concerned about our small business owners. We're concerned about those people who work in those restaurants. We want to get people back to work, we want to get our economy, and we want to keep people safe. So at this point, we're trying to crack down on the bad apples without killing the entire industry and all those folks that work there and causing more unemployment. But look, if this gets out of control, if people continue to not follow the rules, we'll have to take another look.
And just in case you missed it earlier in this newscast, the big news coming out of Montgomery County within the last 30 minutes, the school system saying it will have 100% virtual learning for the entire first semester of the upcoming school year. That will impact around 190,000 students and staff.
Right now in Fairfax County, the school superintendent is also recommending that an all-virtual start to the school year take place. ABC 7's Tom Rousey live at Fairfax County School headquarters in Falls Church. And, Tom, a lot of parents out there were hoping maybe a couple of days at school, but it's all going to be virtual.
It's definitely been a roller coaster ride for parents because until today, the plan was parents could choose a couple days in school. Now, the superintendent is going to recommend all online learning, at least for the first quarter. Kind of caught a lot of folks by surprise. There's a school board meeting that's been going on this afternoon for 3 hours with no end in sight on this. For about 40 minutes, teachers and others with the Fairfax Education Association rallied past the county school headquarters. Their message, it's not safe to do in-person learning yet.
He has asthma and I'm immunocompromised, so we're both very concerned.
The Celentanos are worried Robert, a Centerville High teacher, could get them both sick with COVID if he goes back.
I haven't had a good sleep in the last 10 nights because I've been worrying about this.
Now, not all teachers are against going back. The school system says 52% had wanted to teach online only, but 48% wanted to teach in person 2 days a week. But it may no longer matter, because today Superintendent Scott Brabrand announced he's now recommending an all-virtual start to the school year, at least for the first quarter.
How do you account for every family member who is now being disappointed by your about-face?
At a virtual meeting this afternoon, the school board was told Fairfax County's COVID numbers were stable.
What are you basing it on in terms of Fairfax County's numbers, not Virginia and not the United States?
We are seeing growing evidence that the surge is worsening nationally and regionally. 1/3 of our employees do not live in Fairfax County.
And he went on to add he feared that surge elsewhere is eventually going to come to Fairfax County. Now, where does this go from here? I'm told the school board will need to vote on it. That vote likely to happen, according to a county school spokesperson, either today or Thursday. Reporting live outside the county school headquarters in Falls Church, I'm Tom Rousey, ABC 7 News.